In this video, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC in the state of Arizona. In the first part of this video, we'll go through the 9 steps that you need to complete in order to set up your LLC correctly. And then in the second part of this video, I'll walk you through the sign-up process step by step so you can follow along. And I'll just like to disclose that I do have a relationship with the brands featured in this video and earn a referral fee at no additional cost to you when you use the links in the description. So thank you very much for supporting this channel. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Step number 1 is to select the name for your LLC. So you need to follow the naming requirements. There are 2 major guidelines to follow. The first one is that the LLC's name must be unique compared to any other existing names that's already registered with the Arizona Corporation Commission. The second requirement is that the LLC's name must contain the words Limited Liability Company or the abbreviations of LLC or LC. This is also known as the LLC designator. If you need help to come up with a business name, you can use a business name generator. I will list one down below. You can simply enter the terms that's relevant to your business and it will populate potential business names that you can use. Step number 2 is to designate a statutory agent. This is also known as the registered agent. It is basically someone who is authorized to receive legal documents on the behalf of your LLC. It must have a physical address in Arizona where they can receive mail. Arizona also requires the statutory agent to submit a statutory agent acceptance form. There are companies that you can hire to serve as your statutory agent, and it is highly recommended you to use one in order to keep your home address private. Step number 3 is to file the Articles of Organization. This is the formal legal document to officially register your LLC with the state. The Articles of Organization must provide the following: the LLC's name, whether the LLC is a standard LLC or a professional LLC, the statutory agent's name and address, the LLC's principal office address, whether the LLC is managed by its members or managed by its appointed managers, and lastly, the signature of the organizer. Step number 4 is to create an operating agreement. This step is not mandatory for forming your LLC in Arizona, but it is strongly recommended to have. The purpose of the operating agreement is to outline any rules within the LLC, such as the business structure, the members' responsibilities, and the obligations. The next step is to obtain the EIN, which is the Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. This is basically the ID number for your LLC. You will need it in order to file your taxes and also to open a business bank account. Step number 6 is to publish a notice of LLC formation in a local newspaper. This does not apply if your LLC is formed in Maricopa County or Pima County. Otherwise, new Arizona LLCs need to publish a notice of LLC formation in a local newspaper within 60 days of approval of its Articles of Organization. If you neglect to publish this notice, your LLC can get dissolved. And again, Maricopa County and Pima County are not required to publish this notice of LLC formation. Step number 7 is to open a business bank account because you need to keep track of your business expense and you need to separate it from your personal expense. I like to use Novo Bank to set up my business banking because they offer a business checking account that has no monthly fees. They also don't have any minimum deposit requirement and you can do the entire setup online, so it's super convenient. So in my opinion, it's a great choice, especially for new businesses, and I'll leave a link down below so you can check it out to see if it's a good fit for you. The next step is to file a BOI report with FinCEN. So this is a new filing requirement that applies to all LLCs. You need to file a beneficial ownership report to FinCEN, which stands for the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, to disclose who owns 25% or more of your business. It is basically a disclosure filing, and the purpose of it is to reduce financial crimes with a higher level of transparency around business ownership. And starting in January 2025, you will need to file this report within 30 days of the company's formation. The last step is to keep your LLC in good standing. So you need to comply with all federal, state, and local regulations. Business licenses and permits will vary based on your business type, so it's important to do your own research to determine exactly what business licenses and permits you would need in order for your business to operate. And the easiest way to complete all the steps that we just talked about, in my experience, is to apply for your LLC with a company called Bizee. So Bizee is what I've used several times to set up my own LLCs, and the process is always seamless, and I've always had a really good experience with them. They have helped over 1 million customers form their LLCs. Overall, they have a very high rating, so it's definitely a reputable company. So next you can go to the first link I listed down below in the description, and it will directly take you to this page. And then we can just click on Form Your Free LLC Now. So in here, we are going to select the entity type. So we are going to go with LLC. So for me, I will choose Arizona. And then here you will see the 3 different packages: the basic, the standard, and the premium package. I would recommend you to go with at least the standard package, as this will include most of the things that we spoke about, including filing the articles of organization. You get 1 year of registered agent for free. They will also help to get you the EIN business tax number, as well as taking care of the operating agreement. So overall, I think the standard package gives you the best value. So that's what we are going to go with. So we are going to select standard and click on get started. So here you would just need to put down the name of your LLC. So for me, I'll just do an example. So I'll just put Derek Kumo, and then you would select a designator. So you can select any one of these designator. I'll just go with LLC. This looks the most clean. And then here you would just need to provide a brief description of your business. And after you're done, we can just click next. So here you will see the typical state filing time. So for me, it's 4 weeks. And if you're not in a hurry, then you can wait. But if you prefer to have it filed faster, then you can select the 2 business days filing time. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to select this and click next. Contact person. So you just need to put down your first name, last name, and then your email, and also your phone number, and then click next. So on this page, you can select the virtual address service. So if you want that, you can select that. And I will just say, use my own address, and come down here and fill in the address. And when you're done, click next. And on this page, you can see if you want to take advantage of their premium service package, which includes their lawyer approved business contracts and also domain and email. And if you don't need that, you can just come down here and click on no thanks. And then we need to provide the members information for your LLC here. So click on this drop down and select number of members. So for me, it's 1. So we click on that, come down here, click on my name, and then just simply fill out the address. When you're done, click next. All right, so this page, you need to assign a registered agent. So we can just go with assign Bizee as my registered agent for free for 1 year. Come down here and click next. And then here we have the EIN number information. So the EIN is the ID number for your business. So you can just select your name and then enter your social security number, enter your address, and then click next. And then here you can set up a small business banking account. I will just pass on this. So we can just come down here, click on no, not at this time, and then click next. You can also sign up for a tax strategy consultation. I will just select I'm not interested at this time, click on next. And then we have business licenses and permits. So every business is different. You may need different licenses or permits to operate in your state. So if you want Bizee to do that research for you, you can hire them to do it. And for right now, I would just say, no thanks, I'll do the work myself, and then click next. And then we're almost done. So here is the order summary. So you want to make sure all the information is accurate. We can come down here and then click next. And this is the last page. You would just need to select your payment information. You can either use PayPal or credit card. And then you would just need to fill out your name, your card information, your billing address, and then click on complete and pay, and then you're all done. So this is the complete process of how to set up your LLC with Bizee. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment below, and I hope to see you in the next video.